The Fed come out and start saying like, "Hey, we're gonna start, printing money. Money's coming back in." I think this
Yeah.
market's a little bit on pause here. Like, man, I feel like we really need to get this QE started. I think that's kind of what most of this market's kind of waiting on right now. We need new liquidity injection. We're not getting that right now. QT did end, which is great, but QE hasn't quite started yet. So until the
Right.
Fed come out and start saying like, "Hey, we're gonna start, printing money. Money's coming back in." I think this
Yeah.
market's a little bit on pause here.
We still got a Fed that refuses to give us any sort of real solid confirmation on where they're going. Every single time that they cut rates or there's a new FOMC meeting, Jay Powell comes out and is extreme. This is a nothing burger. Just comes out and dovetails everything he says, it bookends everything so that no matter what the markets do, you can go either way and be okay with it. Just won't give us any real confident direction of where they're going. They're still, cashing. They're still getting that easy 4 to 5% when rates come down and that easy ROI isn't available. That's when that money is going to start shifting into risk on assets. So we just haven't seen that despite everything else in the macro being fairly bullish until we get the rate cuts seriously ramped up and get a Fed that's giving us indications to say, hey, yeah, 2026 we're going to have 4 cuts minimum. And we're going to cut a minimum of X number of basis points, or until we get real QE starting, like you mentioned, until we get that confidence in the markets that money is not going to move in. We're not going to have that fresh liquidity.